The PiNetwork has reached a significant milestone. It launched its Open Mainnet, a highly anticipated event in the cryptocurrency world. This launch is a major step for the platform, marking its evolution from a concept to a fully functional network. It allows for wider adoption and use of the PI cryptocurrency, making it accessible to a broader audience. The Open Mainnet launch is crucial for several reasons, including the validation of years of hard work by the development team. It signifies the network's transition from a testing phase to a fully operational state, ready for real-world applications. The Open Mainnet launch has generated considerable excitement within the PiNetwork community. This excitement is understandable given the potential impact. The launch signifies the culmination of years of development and anticipation, a journey filled with challenges and achievements. The listing of Pi on the OKX exchange is also significant, providing a new avenue for trading. OKX is a well-established cryptocurrency exchange known for its reliability and user-friendly interface. This listing provides Pi with increased visibility and accessibility for traders and investors, potentially boosting its market presence. The Open Mainnet launch is expected to have a positive impact on the price of Pi, reflecting its growing utility and adoption. Early price predictions suggest a range from 10 cents to 50 cents by the end of 2025, indicating potential growth. However, it is important to note that cryptocurrency markets are notoriously volatile, and prices can change rapidly. Predicting price movements with certainty is challenging, and investors should proceed with caution. The Open Mainnet launch represents a pivotal moment for PiNetwork, a milestone that will be remembered. It marks the beginning of a new chapter for the platform, filled with opportunities and challenges. It paves the way for wider adoption and the realization of its vision, bringing the future of decentralized finance closer to reality. The Global Consensus Value, or GCV, is a unique aspect of PiNetwork. It is a valuation method that stands out in the world of cryptocurrencies. It represents the value of Pi determined through community consensus, rather than traditional market forces. While earlier reports focused on a $314,159 GCV target, recent updates indicate the GCV is currently stable. This stability is a testament to the community's active participation. This approach to valuation reflects the community-centric nature of the project, emphasizing collective decision-making. The GCV has been used in various ways within the PiNetwork community, from setting transaction values to guiding economic activities. Some members have engaged in bartering using the $314,159 figure as a reference point, showcasing its practical application. These events highlight the growing real-world utility of Pi as it becomes more integrated into everyday transactions. They demonstrate the community's belief in its potential as a medium of exchange, reinforcing the value of collective trust. The GCV is expected to play a crucial role in the future of PiNetwork, guiding its economic framework. As the platform transitions to the Open Mainnet, the GCV will likely serve as a reference point for determining the initial trading price of Pi, setting the stage for its market debut. The community-driven nature of the GCV sets PiNetwork apart from other cryptocurrencies, highlighting its innovative approach. It empowers users and fosters a sense of ownership and participation, making every member an integral part of the network's success. The PiNetwork has witnessed remarkable growth in its global community, attracting users from all corners of the world. The platform has garnered significant interest and adoption worldwide, becoming a popular choice for many. This growth is particularly notable in countries like India, where PiNetwork has gained a strong following and continues to expand rapidly. PiNetwork's community growth is fueled by several factors. These include its user-friendly interface, mobile-first approach, and focus on accessibility, making it easy for anyone to join. The platform's commitment to inclusivity has resonated with individuals who may not have had prior exposure to cryptocurrencies, opening new doors for many. PiNetwork's community engagement initiatives have played a crucial role in its expansion, fostering a sense of belonging among users. The platform has organized various events and campaigns to raise awareness, educate users, and build a strong, informed community. These efforts have been instrumental in fostering a sense of community and collaboration among members. These efforts have been successful in attracting new members and strengthening the bonds within the existing community, creating a vibrant network. The global reach of PiNetwork is a testament to its potential to become a widely adopted cryptocurrency with a growing user base. As the platform continues to evolve, its community is expected to play a pivotal role in its success, driving innovation and adoption. PiNetwork has been actively developing and introducing new features to enhance its platform and provide users with a seamless experience. These updates demonstrate the team's commitment to innovation and their responsiveness to community feedback. The post-July 2023 period has been particularly eventful, with several notable additions to the PiNetwork ecosystem. These features aim to expand the utility of Pi, improve security, and make it easier for users to manage their digital assets. The introduction of these features is a testament to the PiNetwork's commitment to providing a comprehensive and user-friendly platform. The continuous development and rollout of new features are expected to drive further adoption and strengthen the PiNetwork ecosystem. As the platform matures, users can anticipate even more exciting features and functionalities in the future. Section 5. Staking with Pi. Growing your digital assets. Staking has become an increasingly popular way for cryptocurrency holders to earn passive income. PiNetwork introduced its staking feature in July 2024, allowing users to stake their Pi and earn rewards. Staking involves holding Pi in a dedicated wallet to support the network's security and operations. Staking offers several benefits for PiNetwork users. It allows them to earn rewards simply by holding Pi. This can be particularly appealing to long-term holders who believe in the platform's future potential. Staking also contributes to the decentralization and security of the PiNetwork. The introduction of staking has been well received by the PiNetwork community. It provides users with an additional avenue to engage with the platform and grow their Pi holdings. As more users participate in staking, it is expected to strengthen the PiNetwork's ecosystem further. Section 6. Pi Wallet 2.0. Enhancing security and user experience. Security is paramount in the world of cryptocurrencies, and PiNetwork understands the importance of providing users with a secure and reliable wallet. In September 2024, PiNetwork launched Pi Wallet 2.0, a major upgrade designed to enhance security and improve the user experience. Pi Wallet 2.0 incorporates advanced security features such as multi-factor authentication, biometric login options, and enhanced encryption protocols. The upgraded wallet also boasts an improved user interface, making it more intuitive and user-friendly. The launch of Pi Wallet 2.0 reinforces PiNetwork's commitment to providing a secure and user-friendly platform for its users. It reflects the team's proactive approach to addressing security concerns and their dedication to continuous improvement. Section 7. PiNetwork embraces e-commerce. Spend your Pi in the real world. PiNetwork has taken significant strides to bridge the gap between the digital and physical worlds. In October 2024, PiNetwork announced a strategic partnership that enables users to spend their Pi on real-world goods and services. This move marks a major milestone in PiNetwork's journey toward mainstream adoption. The e-commerce partnership allows PiNetwork users to make purchases from participating merchants using their Pi holdings. This partnership aims to expand the utility of Pi and provide users with tangible ways to utilize their digital assets. The integration of PiNetwork with e-commerce platforms is a significant step toward realizing the vision of a decentralized and accessible digital economy. It opens up new possibilities for PiNetwork users and highlights the growing real-world applications of cryptocurrencies. Section 8. PiNetwork's DeFi integration, a glimpse into the future. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, has emerged as one of the most transformative trends in the cryptocurrency space. PiNetwork recognizes the potential of DeFi and has announced plans for its integration into the PiNetwork ecosystem. This integration is planned for early 2025. DeFi integration will open up a world of possibilities for PiNetwork users. It will allow them to participate in various DeFi activities such as lending, borrowing, and yield farming, all within the PiNetwork ecosystem. The integration of DeFi is expected to further enhance the utility of Pi and attract new users to the platform. It aligns with PiNetwork's vision of creating a decentralized and inclusive financial ecosystem. Section 9. PiNetwork's price predictions for 2025. What lies ahead? The price of Pi has been a topic of much speculation and anticipation within the cryptocurrency community. With the open mainnet launch and the anticipated listing on major cryptocurrency exchanges, price predictions for PI have been a hot topic. Current price predictions for the end of 2025 range from 10 cents to 50 cents. These predictions are based on various factors including the overall market sentiment, the adoption rate of PI, and the listing on major exchanges. It is essential to approach price predictions with caution. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile, and predicting price movements with certainty is challenging. The future of PiNetwork looks promising. The open mainnet launch, GCV stability, and community growth indicate positive momentum. However, it is essential to stay informed, manage risks, and make well-informed decisions based on your financial circumstances.